Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to cancel and bid on eBay. Now let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on My eBay in bottom left and this will open your account. Now tap on Bids and Over. It's over here and over here. You can choose any of them. I'm going to use this one. Tap on it. And over here you can see the items that you bid on. My bid section is empty because I haven't placed any bid over here. However, I will guide you through the process about how to cancel the bid. Now find the item you want to cancel your bid for and click on the listing to open the item page. Under the bid history section, look for the option to cancel bid. If the item is still eligible for bid cancellation, you will see the button here. Click on cancel bid and follow the instruction to confirm the cancellation. You may need to provide a reason for cancelling the bid. Once cancelled, your bid will be removed from the auction and you will no longer be on the running for the item. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your bid on eBay. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.